today we have a giant LED light overhead. It's for ceiling. If you guys can see, this is the inside. They give you the actual cover. We're gonna put the cover on the side so you guys can see how bright it is. All right, so put this on the ground. It comes with remote control, instructions, and also mounting screws. All right, so we're gonna set this up right now. We're gonna plug it in. I just plugged it in here temporary as a regular plug so I could test it out on the ground first prior to setting up on the ceiling. So let's go and plug it in. Woo, bright LED light, if you guys can see that. Off and on. Okay, off and on button on the control. All right, you got it on. I'm gonna put it on. Now you got different connections because you could turn it down. It's a dimmer too. All right, and then I like a couple of sections. Let me see if you guys can see. This is certain things that you can change on the with the remote. The colors, the brightness, and then the center button. We're dimming it down, going back up. Sections, change the sections, brightness. So this is the night mode. If you want to put, like, if you have children they're scared at night and you want to just dim it down, you can do that. There is no timer on this one, so you're not gonna have a timer. You need to manually turn it off and on, pretty much, right? So that's the light of the actual LED. We're gonna set up in the ceiling and see how well it works. Flush. Put the ground in here so it's flush, so it won't go in here. The only thing is I'm gonna zip tie these or maybe tie them up, and there's no room on the top. It's completely flush, so I end up putting the cables in here. We're gonna cover it up now. One section here, like a sandwich. There you go. There's one section in here. Let's finish the other one in there, and that's it. So the only thing is that I'm gonna remove that later. I'm just gonna flush it and put some tape. All right, if you guys can see, I have completely darkness. I'm gonna turn on the light right now so you guys can see some of the power on this thing. All right, we got the light going here. Look how big it is. I'm gonna get rid of the little black thing right now because that's the cable I have right now. So I'm gonna change the lighting. Look how bright this is. And this is lighting up the entire area here. And I'm gonna change the different tones, as you can see. And you got 3 tones. That's probably the brightest right now. And then the last one is the dim down. I like the light. It's huge, huge LED light. Looks like daylight. Awesome light. Simple to install. Not that hard to install. To make it flush, you are going to need some space to run the cable on the top of the ceiling. But that's about it.